Today, I am in Sterling Ranch, which is in Littleton, Colorado. Sterling Ranch is the community. Littleton, Colorado is the city. And I am at Pulte Homes, and you're in for a treat because these are amazing models that we're gonna see. Now these in Sterling Ranch, the Pulte Homes in Sterling Ranch, well, they have 14 different floor plans. They have 3 different collections here, and the collections range from the low end of about the high 5s to about the 900 to the middle and higher end collections. Those start in the mid to high 800s and can go up to 1.5 million. So there's lots of floor plans and lots of price points to pick from here in Sterling Ranch at Pulte Homes. Now I'm standing inside one of the models today because it's super windy outside and there's lots of construction. So I'm gonna get all set up. We're gonna take a tour of this home, and then at the end, I'm gonna share with you all about Sterling Ranch and what the amenities here have to offer. So let's go take a look around. Thanks for touring this gorgeous Pulte home here in Sterling Ranch in Littleton, Colorado. When it's completely built, there's going to be 12,000 homes in this community. Now, Sterling Ranch has lots of amenities. There's the Overlook Clubhouse, which also has an outdoor pool, fitness center, all the amenities that you can imagine there. And then there's also the Sterling Ranch Hub. Now, there's a name for it. I forget what it is off the top of my head, but at the Hub, they have a brewery, they have a coffee shop, there's a medical center there. I believe they have an eye doctor and a dentist. So things that you would use in your everyday life and you never have to leave this community for, which is what makes this area so desirable. Sterling Ranch, now we sit on the south side of C470. So to get to the Denver Tech Center from here, you're probably looking about 20 to 30 minutes. To get to downtown Denver from here, if you're driving, you're probably looking about 30, 35 minutes, maybe 40, depending on traffic. And if you want to get up to the mountains for skiing in those ski towns, well, you're looking at about a 2-hour drive here from Sterling Ranch. I'm Kathy Hansen, a local area realtor, and I would love to show you more of Sterling Ranch if this community is what you're interested in. Now, again, these Pulte homes, there's 14 different floor plans. They range from the high 500s up to 1.5 million. So there's different floor plans and price ranges for everyone. Now, the thing with new construction homes is you do have to have your realtor with you on your very first visit out here if you want realtor representation and you want the builder to pay for it. So if that's the case and you want to come out and check out Sterling Ranch, all my contact information is below. I would love to show this community to you or any other community in the Denver metro area. I do sell community-wide. So again, Kathy Hansen, local area realtor. I'm also a suburban mom. If I can help you in any way, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I will see you on the next video.